Genesis unveiled its boldly styled 2025 GV80 Coupe at the Los Angeles Auto Show, introducing a new dimension of sporty sophistication to the brand's luxury utility vehicle lineup. The production-ready model builds on the rapturous reception of the GV80 Coupe concept first shown in 2019, bringing head-turning looks and performance to market. The GV80 Coupe adds excitement to the Genesis portfolio with its unique blend of style and substance, said José Muñoz, President and Global Chief Operating Officer of Genesis Motor North America. It allows us to expand our appeal and bring new customers to the brand who value emotional design and driving exhilaration. One look at the GV80 Coupe confirms it breaks the utility vehicle mold with a provocative exterior form. Trademark Genesis design cues like the crest grille and quad headlamps are joined by wind-cheating details that enhance visual drama. Swept-back LED headlights flow into muscular front fenders. Below, large angular air intakes flank an inverted version of Genesis's signature crest grille. The hood dips subtly between bold character lines that run the length of the coupe. From the side, a sloping roofline culminates in a sharply angled liftgate. An arching parabolic line underscores the sporty profile. At the rear, a ducktail spoiler perched above the LED taillights accentuates the tapering greenhouse. Look closely, and you'll see the Genesis badging displays a unique guilloche pattern, reinforcing the GV80 Coupe's upscale sporting mission. The GV80 Coupe will launch with an exclusive powertrain producing head-turning performance. Under the hood lies a 3.5-liter turbocharged V6, augmented by a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Maximum output is an estimated 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, allowing the coupe to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. Power routes through an 8-speed automatic transmission with steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters for enthusiast-oriented driving. Genesis's H-Track all-wheel drive system provides enhanced grip while preserving the rear-drive feel in sport driving mode. An electronically controlled suspension adapts to road conditions or driver preferences with a choice of comfort, sport, and smart settings. Larger brakes bring the sleek coupe to a composed stop when needed. With its distinctive looks and potent powertrain, the GV80 Coupe charts new territory for the Genesis brand. Inside, the GV80 Coupe pampers driver and passengers with 4 sports seats trimmed in Napa leather. Heating, ventilation, and adjustable side bolsters keep occupants comfortable and supported. Contrast stitching and authentic dark wood trim provide warmth, while aluminum accents nod to the coupe's performance. Cutting-edge tech includes facial recognition for keyless entry and starting, fingerprint authentication, and a 12.3-inch 3D digital instrument cluster. A wide 14.5-inch high-definition entertainment display allows access to navigation, audio, and vehicle settings. An electronic shifter and large center console enhance the GV80 Coupe's driver-focused layout. With its sensuous silhouette and potent performance, the 2025 Genesis GV80 Coupe breaks new ground for the brand. Stay tuned as more details on pricing and availability for the North American market emerge. For now, the glimpse in LA shows Genesis is keeping style and substance in balance with their latest creation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.